everyone. So, kami sabi is cooling tower. The problem one is air intake sa cooling tower with the humidity ratio. W1 is equals to 0.008 kilogram per kilogram. W2 is 0.045 kilogram per kilogram. If the air flow rate is 100 kilogram per second, how much make of water is needed? So, student is natay formula na mass make up equals M mass air times W2 minus W1. So, input about given, so natin na mass air times 0.045 na humidity ratio minus 0.008. So, ito kasi 3.7 kg per second. So, ito, second problem is natin given na mass of air for 60 kg per second. Ang humidity is 0.2. Millimeter per kilogram. So, ito record is yung velocity. So, ito yung solution na natin yung na velocity equals mass of air times D. So, ito, atomic. Parang yung volt ko itong given na ay 60 times 0.2 equals 52.55.2 millimeter per second.